Hi, and welcome to this video about the future of data storytelling. In this video, we will talk about applications and case studies about AI-powered data storytelling techniques. In the past videos, we saw how generative artificial intelligence has different capabilities. We saw technical details about generative adversarial networks and about diffusion models. And in this video, we will see how to create applications, tools, and how case studies have employed the generative AI techniques. The first example is the AI Mobili tool. This tool is trained on a specific dataset and employ the generative adversarial network to explore different design ideas between designs inspired by the training data. And now let's see a practical example. In this tool, we selected the generative adversarial network model trained with furniture. The tool allows you to select two of the furnitures and explore all the different designs between them. And when you are happy with a design, you can select it. And then you can go on exploring designs between other two furnitures until you are satisfied with one of the design. Finally, you will be able to explore all the design between all the four elements in the tool. Moreover, you can start from different elements. You can select one from the list here, and you can choose where to put this new furniture. And then all the different design will change accordingly, and generative adversarial network will allow you to explore these images data in a whole new way. And this is very useful to brainstorm about new design ideas. Moreover, you can change the AI model by using another training data set. And here we are. You can explore cat portraits in a whole new way by navigating between all those portraits. And when you are satisfied with the two initial design, then you will be provided with the final intersection between all the four initial designs. And you can continue exploring a lot of new ideas. And this is a new way to explore and visualize images. The next case study is an exposition called Mapping the NFT Revolution by the artist Mauro Martino. In this exhibition, we used both generative adversarial network and diffusion models in order to visually explore the NFT revolution, both in terms of aesthetics and in terms of history. And now I will show you two videos from the exhibition. The first one employed the generative adversarial network in order to visually explore the variety of the aesthetics within each NFT collection, while the second video employed diffusion models in order to visualize the history of the NFT revolution, starting from the digital art. The musics of these videos are from the composer Philippe Abussi. The first two case studies shown how to explore and use generative AI to tell story about specific dataset of images, such as the furnitures or the NFT collections. Now let's see how to produce a new story by using text as an input. In this application, students were able to create new films by using only text as an input. They described their stories using text and then exploit a diffusion model to generate the films. The following videos were created directly by students. The final example I want to show you is UrbanistAI. UrbanistAI is a platform for participatory design and participatory planning. This platform helped citizens in understanding the story of the city and moreover try to visualize their new ideas for a specific urban area. Let's see a quick video about UrbanistAI.
Hi, I'm Emilio Cerrone and I'm a co-founder of UrbanistAI. UrbanistAI is about changing the participatory planning process. So it's about how do we design cities today. We want to basically do so that the design input comes from citizens as well as from the investors of urban planning process and as much as businessmen. So we want to actually collect the collective intelligence of cities and turn it into design ideas for the local government. So how we are working with it is that this is not a new process. However, there was no technology to do this in a kind of a real time, in a quick way. So usually you would have architects and designers producing ideas for the cities and citizens, investors and businessmen giving feedback. However, we started to see that this is expensive and long-term process and we need to reduce it and make it less expensive, so more affordable, so that more cities could actually have the collective intelligence as an input for their design. So what we do is that we use generative AI to turn people's idea into images, because images communicate more than 1,000 words.
I'm Luca, I'm a PhD in information technology, and I'm a co-founder of UrbanistAI. The way in which citizens are involved to generate new ideas is very successful because it reduces the communicational gap between the architects, the city stakeholders, and the citizens.
We are having a real kind of concrete redesign processes of streets and squares. So we had several examples of streets in Finland already that are being right now redesigned using the input that came from citizens and from business owners.
The future for UrbanistAI is to continues to improving the technology and also continues to improving the user experience in using this technology in order to obtain results that are closer to the cultural context, to the architectural context all around the world. Thank you for watching this video about the future of data storytelling and how generative AI is starting to empower our creativity processes. Thank you.